Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Rubal Solutions. Reading and knowing about some of the terms related to insurance, so decided to share with my Rubal Solutions family. As here on this channel, we tell you the basic things in simple English language. We really hope and wish that it's helpful and useful. Now let's get started. Define pet insurance. Pet insurance pays partially or in total for veterinary treatment of insured persons, ill or injured pet. Some policies will pay out when the pet dies or if the pet is lost or stolen. As veterinary medicine is increasingly employing expensive medical techniques and drugs, and owners have higher expectations for their pets' health care and standard of living than previously, the market for the pet insurance has increased. The first pet insurance policy was written in 1890 by Claes Virgin. Virgin was the founder of Alliance. At that time, he focused on horses and livestock. In 1947, the first pet insurance policy was sold in Britain. As of 2009, Britain has the second highest level of pet insurance in the world, behind only Sweden. According to the latest data available from the US Department of Clinical Veterinary Science and the Pet Food Institute, only 0.7% of pets in United States are covered by pet insurance. In 1982, the first pet insurance policy was sold in US and issued to television leases by VPI. There are two categories of insurance policies for pets: non-lifetime and lifetime. The first covers buyers for the most condition suffered by their pets during the course of policy year, but on renewal in a following year, a condition has been claimed for will be excluded. If that condition needs further treatment, the pet owner will have to pay for that him or herself. The second category covers a pet for ongoing conditions throughout the pet's lifetime, so that if a condition is claimed for in first year, it will not be excluded in subsequent years. Pet insurance companies are beginning to offer the pet owner more of the ability to customize their coverage by allowing them to choose their own level of deductible or co-insurance. This allows the pet owner to control their monthly premium and choose the level of coverage that suits them the best. Some of the differences in insurance coverage are which pets are covered, whether the congenital and hereditary conditions, how the reimbursement is calculated, whether the deductible is on per incident or an annual basis, whether there are any limits or caps applied, whether there is annual contract that determines anything diagnosed in previous year of coverage. I really hope you get to know about this topic. Interested people, please spread the educational videos on our channel. We are really grateful and thankful for the same. In the end, we would like to say that please do like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, that is Rubal Solutions. Love, love. Have a nice day.